What I like to do is start off by pinning the wrong side, and then we're going to be transferring all the pins to the right side. So then you take the front of your bag and you're going to figure out where you want your pocket. I think a good idea is to kind of center it into the front. And then we're going to transfer all the pins. And just keep that zipper folded under really well. And in this case, you want to pin really extensively. You want to just go all the way around the entire length of your bag and pin, making sure to keep it really straight as you do it. And once you have it pinned, you're going to take it to the machine and stitch all the way around.